To get better always on display in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, if we check out the current always on display that is available for this specific device, you will see that it's a bit limited. All you get is a black screen with a clock, and you can enable or disable always on display. This is pretty lame, so let's try to get something better. And to do that, we'll need to open the Google Play Store. In search, type in Movies Edge. And we want to install this specific app. When it's ready, click on Open, and then allow any permissions that will pop up on your screen. When it's done, we can go to AOD section and select one of the always on display styles. Some of them will even offer you option to customize them, and when you're ready, click on apply. That way you will get a custom always on display with something cooler than just a black background. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.